In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change numbering in Canva. Whether you're building a clean resume, a step-by-step guide, or a checklist, adding proper numbering keeps everything organized and easy to follow. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, and I'll share simple tips so your list looks polished and consistent. First, make sure Canva knows exactly which text you want to number. Click the text on your design. If your entire text box needs numbering, a single click anywhere inside it is enough. If you only want certain lines numbered, click and drag to highlight just those lines. This selection step matters because Canva applies numbering to whatever you've selected, line by line, based on where you've added line breaks. Now look to the top toolbar and click the list icon. As soon as you do, Canva converts each separate line in your selection into a numbered item. You'll see the numbers appear in order, starting at 1, and pressing Enter at the end of a line automatically adds the next number. If you already had some spacing in place, Canva keeps your layout intact and simply adds the numbering to match. A quick note on what to expect. Numbering inherits your text style. That means the font, size, color, and weight you've chosen for the text will also apply to the numbers. If the numbers feel too large or too light, adjust the text style and the numbering will update to match. Alignment also follows your text settings, so left, center, or right. Right alignment will move both the numbers and the content together for a tidy look. If your list doesn't look quite right, check your line breaks. Each new line creates a new number, so keep one idea per line to avoid unexpected numbering. To continue text on the same number without creating the next one, use a soft line break so the item stays grouped visually. For spacing, the line and paragraph spacing controls in the toolbar help you tighten or loosen the space above, below, and between items without breaking the numbering. You can also give your list a visual hierarchy. Indentation controls in the toolbar shift items in or out, so primary items stay aligned, while related details nest slightly to the right. This preserves numbering on the main points and keeps supporting text easy to scan. That's all there is to it. Click the text you want to affect, then click the list icon at the top. With those two actions, you've turned plain text into a clean, automatically numbered list that's easy to edit and effortless to keep consistent.